Hello and welcome to the next video on the Nerdy Collector channel. Today we are opening OP08, the two legends. And without further ado, we'll just get right into it. This one is opening very poorly. Let's just say it's a big treasure trove. That's why it's opening so poorly, with the big hits. Let's get the packs out first. And we'll start with the right one, with the right pack. Let's go for the manga hunt. We got the Drum Kingdom. We got Jinrumi. We got Charlotte Poer. We got Sicilian. We got Ulti. We got Kurumarimo. We got Count Nivatori. We got the Candy Maiden event. We got Jinbei with the goofy artwork. I really like those artworks. We got the Weevil. We got the Portcullis DAs, and we got a Charlotte Pudding. Let's go. The first two rares. I really love this artwork. So let's continue with the left pack next. And we'll switch back to cutting into it first. So it's opening up smoothly. Okay, we got a Dawn. Let's see. Perospero. A Charlotte Angel. Guernica from CP0. And Never Shoot You. Drum Kingdom event. We got Roddy from the Minx. We got another Ulti. We got S Shark. We got Jinbei. We got Tony Chopper. We got Conquest of the Sea. And we got Queen. And the Whitebeard Silver Dawn. Let's go. This looks great. I really like this Dawn. So we'll sleep that one as the first, let's say, kinda hit. And open the next pack. We got the Perospero. We got S-Beer. We got Kuma. The Moby Dick stage. Sweet Jill. Nyamule. That Heliceratops event. Such a great attack. We got Roddy again. We got X Drake. We got It's to Die For event. We got the King Dew. We got Dalton. And we got the Cloven Rose event. Let's go. Drum Kingdom set pack. I just have to order them. And let's go with pack number 4, I think it is. Okay. We have Buckin, the Biscuit Warrior. We got Hyoko. We got the next count. We got another Baron. Okay, that's the Chicken Egg set. We got Sweet Pea. We got the Burn Bazooka Sky Island events. Let's go. We got the Hiking Bear. We got Southbird. We got Garchu event. And we got Varpole. And oh my god, we got That's on the 4th pack already. You got Kaido and Linlin. Secret rare. Oh my god. Wow. This card looks crazy. Crazy. Damn. Okay, seems like the first big hit is already gone. And by the way, the Warpole I really like. I'm also playing him in my deck, but since I already have a full set, a play set, that one is going into the collection as well. Okay, next pack. Let's see, we got another Sicilian at Afelandra. We got S-Beer. We got Tristan. We got Maria Onion Bear. We got Nitro. We got the Heliceratops event. We got King Dew. We have Scratchman Apu. We got Duval. We got the Electric Luna Minx event. And we got Charlotte Lin SR. We got the first SR of this display. And in combination with the secret rare. Damn. That's quite some hits already. Let's see if we can get another big hit. I sure hope so. Let's see what the next pack has in store. We got Chess. We got Hamlet. The Giraffe. We got BB. We got the Burn Bazooka. We got Paycoms. We got the Candy Maiden. We got Basil Hawkins. We got Charlotte Oven. We got Consolot. Robson. We got Mont Blanc. And we got another SRS Snake with a very great Hoyle photo effect. Okay. That's another SR. Let's go. I'm really looking forward to some more Skypiea cards and so on, because Skypiea is the best arc in One Piece. Okay, we got another Dawn. Let's see what we got here. We got the 20 Doctors. We got Buckin. We got Charlotte Poyer. We got Basil Hawkins. We got another Baron Tamago. We got the X-Drake. We got Robson. Iron Body Fang Flash event. We got the Calgara. We got Wanda. And we got Who's Who. And another Silver Dawn. Let's go. That's the first leader we got. So let's see if we can pull full leader set again. I think so far I did it in every, or I missed one, I'm not sure. Let's go. The next pack is Charlotte Angel. Afelandra, sorry. Viscount Hyuko. We got Tristan. Kuro Marimo. Another Calgara, back to back, kind of. The Heliceratops, the Garchu event, the Sheephead, Animal Kingdom, Animal Pirates, the Charlotte Brûlée with the mirrors, and we got the Jozu, and the Imperial Flame event, which looks insane. Yeah. so far, really nice cards. Even the rares look very great. And let's see if we can keep that up with Miyagi. Another Hiyoko. We got Mont Blanc Cricket. We got the Moby Dick event stage. Stage, not event. We got Nivatori. I Never Shoot You. We got Charlotte Smoothie. We got You Can't Take Our King This Early in the Game. The Marco event. Charlotte Opera. We got Milky. We got the Cloven Rose. And we got another Jozu. Let's go. I think it should be right about a third now. But so far, not that much SRs, so I think the rest of the display is gonna be stacked with bigger hits than Jozu. We got Charlotte Cracker. We got the 20 Doctors. We got Mont Blanc Cricket. We got Guernica. We got the Charlotte Smoothie. We got Giovanni. The Maria Onion Beer. We got Milky. We got the Hiking Bear. We got the Marco Leader. Okay. We got Sasaki. And we got another Warpole. That's the second leader so far from, I don't know, 6, 8 packs. Probably more like 8 or even 10. So let's hunt for the rest of the leaders to at least have like a common and leader full set. We got Chess. We got the Biscuit Warrior. We got Jinrumi. We got Charlotte Angel. We got Pecoms. We got Giovanni. Sweet Pea. We got Albert, the King. We got Sheep's Head. We got the It's to Die For event. We got Dr. Kureha. And we got the SR Jack. Let's go. Jack is such an OP character as well, to be honest. It's like totally random that he's way too strong. Okay. Actually, I think this is the halfway point. Let's see the first half. We got Drum Kingdom stage. We got Hamlet, Speed Jill, and Mushuru. We got another Marco event. We got We Would Never Sell a Combat to an Enemy event. We got Ninja Mule, the Burn Blade event. We got another Weevil. We got Karakuri as a child. We got The Earth Will Not Lose Shandian event. And we got another Karakuri as a child. Damn. Double Karakuri pack. So, since the last pack magic on the first half didn't work, let's see if first pack magic of the second half works. We got Charlotte Cracker. We got Miyagi. Jinrumi. We got Chess. Nitro. We got X-Drake. We got People's Dreams Don't End. People's Dreams Don't Ever End. Like this. This is the biggest foreshadowing moment in the anime, I think, when the Straw Hats meet Blackbeard like this. The Consulate. Got the Phoenix Brand event. We got Charlotte Pudding. That's another leader. We got Viper. Let's go. I wanted some Sky Island, and we got Who's Who again. But let's go. I love Viper. I'm so thrilled for OP16, 15, I mean. Okay. Then, okay, I already saw a leader there. We got Sicilian, Mushuru, we got Guernica, we got Speed Chill, People's Dreams Don't Ever End, the Burn Bazooka event, we got Roddy, we got Neko Mamushi, we got Lapins, we got the King Leader, we got another Viper, let's go, and we got page 1. Okay, if I count correctly, that's 4 of the 6 leaders, right? It should be. Only 2 more leaders to go. Let's see Charlotte Cracker. You got the S-Beer Kuma. You got BB. You got a Drum Kingdom stage. You got Kuro Marimo. You got Ulti. The Candy Maiden event. You got Atmos from the Whitebeard Pirates. The Burn Blade event. We got Carrot, okay. We got Dalton. And we got the Electric Luna event perfectly with the, I'm going to put this up, with the Carrot together. Let's go. Okay, I guess it's only 1 leader left then. And I mean, assuming there are 6, I'm not sure if it's 6 or more. And we got a Philandra, Tristan, we got Hamlet, we got Maria Onion Bear. We would never sell out a combat to an enemy. X-Drake, Nemule. We got Chess Marimo, let's go. We got Shut It Oven. We got Thatch. We got a Jozu. And we got a Nami SR. Alright, another Egghead SR. Let's go. So, let's see. I sure hope there are much more SRs in the last 8 packs. Only 1 leader left. Lots of SRs technically still open. So let's see. We got the Perospero. We got the 20 Doctors. We got the Moby Dick stage. We got Calgara. With the Burn Bazooka in combination. We got Basil Hawkins. We got Nivatori. Inu Arashi, let's go. Got the Munch Munch mutation from Warpole. We got Charlotte Brulé. We got the King. And we got the Monkey D. Luffy SR Alt Art. Let's go. That's the one I wanted. Damn. Even with the imprint on the bottom.
Right here, you can see the face of a dude who's just happy to get alt art of his favorite character. What he doesn't know yet, until after the video, is that he missed a little imprint that says TR for treasure rare, and makes this card so much more valuable than just an alt art. And to be fair, I also missed that's an OP7 card and not an OP08 card, which I didn't question because I was like, okay, we got the Nami right before, which is also egghead themed. So I was like, okay, obviously it fits the theme. You get some seraphims as well, so everything should be fine. But this dude doesn't know yet that this isn't just an alt art, that this is an insane big hit, and probably the hit he wanted the most from this display, because he just wants Luffy cards, and this is the best Luffy card there is in this display. So don't be like him, look at the cards, and at least I was very happy I pulled an alt art. I'm even happier that I kind of missed the treasure rare. So let's continue with the video.
Like this, you can see it. Wow. I think this artwork is really, really nice. It's just, it looks so cool. It looks so nice. Just, I'm very happy that I put this art. Let's go. Damn, let's go. That was a great pack. Let's fucking go. Two very, very great hits so far. Let's see if we can keep them going with Tristan. The Biscuit Warrior. We got Speed Jill. A Child Smoothie. X-Drake. We got the Candy Maiden event. We got a Calgara. We got Duval. We got Milky. We got the Hiking Bear. We got Dr. Huluk. And we got the Kaido SR. Let's go. Let's go. So now we do have the full set, the kind of full set with the two SRs and Kaido and Lin secret rare. Let's go. We are down to 6 packs. And let's see what the last 6 packs will bring us. We have Mushuru, Ephelandra, Charlotte Puer. I'm good at this. We got Nitro. People's dreams don't ever end. We would never sell out a comrade event. We got the Roddy. We got Charlotte Custard. We got the Weevil. We got S Shark. We got a Portgas D Ace. And on the last, we got the Charlotte SR. Let's go. The whole effect, the foil effect looks insanely nice around the claws, around the impact. That's really, really nice. Let's go. All right, let's have 5 packs. And we have still 1 liter to go. Hiyoko and Bibi. We got Jinurumi. Got the Perospero. Got Baron Tamago. Got You Can't Take Our King This Early in the Game. Got Maria Onion Bear. Iron Body Fang Flash event. We got Atmos. We got the Marco. Okay. We got the Imperial Flame event. And we got the Pedro. All right. I think the Marco we already got, right? So we may or may not be missing 1 more leader, I think. And I think I can already see it over here. Okay, we got Charlotte Cracker, got Buckin, Sicilian, Mont Blanc Cricket, Pecoms, Hilceratops, the Ulti, the Robson, got another Arashi, Got Charlotte Pudding. We already got that one. We got another Charlotte Pudding, okay. And we got Queen. At least that's the first. But damn, that's the double pudding pack. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Great joke, I know. It's just... I'm an incredible jokester. Okay. Let's see. We got the Hamlet. We got Moby Dick. We got the Guernica. We got Namule. Kuromarimo. We got Sweet Pea. And Never Shoot You. We got Charlotte Custard. Charlotte Karakuri as a child. We got the Garchu event. We got another Warpole. And we got another page 1. I'm already getting a full playset of Warpole in here. What the fuck? Okay, we are down to the last 2 packs. Let's see if we can get some more magic here. I think one more great hit would be nice. Just one more great hit. The Drum Kingdom, the BB, 20 Doctors, got the Biscuit Warrior, Maria Onion Bear, People's Dreams Don't Ever End, got a Calgara, the Sweet Pea, It's to Die For event, got Lapins. We got another Warpole, so we got the play set, and we got the Conquest of the Sea event. At least that's new, and actually also in combination with the secret rare we already pulled. Okay. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic here. We got Miyagi, got Chess, got Espear, got Charlotte Angel, got Giovanni, got the Pecoms, Baron Tamago, got another Jinbei, got King Ju, got Albert, the king. Then we got OK, that's Set. And we got the SR Newgate. That's a great card, but sadly not another big hit. At least we got a white beard. I mean, kinda, it's Newgate, but you get what I mean. Okay, let me really quick sort this one out, and then we can go on with the video. So the things we pulled from the OP08 display are 2 Silver Dawns. We got the Newgate SR, the Jack SR, we got the Kaido SR, the Charlotte Lin SR, Snake SR, we got the Carrot SR, the Nami SR, we got the Monkey D. Luffy SR Alt Art, and we got the Kaido and Lin. So the only 2 big hits in this one were these 2, which is pretty fine by me because this is the card I wanted. This card looks sick. I do not know how much the SEC here is worth, but I probably just, or already will have, it will have already been on screen. And I paid under 100 euros for this, or around 100. It was a bundle, so around 100 euros for this display, and I think it's worth it. I think it was worth it, but we'll see that one in post-production. You've already seen it. And with that, a little correction on my part. I just looked up some of the prices, and for starters, all these are together around €1, because these are like very low, like 5 to 10, 20, 40 cents. Then we got those over here with 50 cents each, the Jozu. Actually, the Jozu was big, very big. Then, to my, kind of surprise, actually, because I know secret rares aren't the most valuable, but I never thought this would be only €2. Then, oops, that's the wrong order. Then we got the Nami with around €5. And the actual big hit is this one with, I think, around 135. It's going up lately, but yeah.
This man right here, still not figuring out that it's a treasure rare and just talking about it as if it were a normal alt art that's magically worth €135.
I will just look up the prices exactly, but I just wanted to say that these is by far not the biggest hit, and that these here are better than any of the SRs except the Nami. So over here somewhere should be the prices of all those, and I still made profit on this one. So see you in the next opening.